what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I got a couple smokers going here. I'm gonna do a video on them. It's a couple of the reverse flows, vertical chambers. A lot of the stuff is done on some of them. This is one of the chambers I'm cutting out now. Kind of just jumping in on the middle of them. These are the panels that make up the chamber. Just straight edge all of those out. It's the same smoker except one's built with 1/4 inch and one's built with 3/16. Kind of winding down on the last one that's gonna get built here, hopefully. I'll be in the shop here soon. Still got a few more to get done here first though. This is the HTP Microcut 875 that I'm using. It's been a great machine. I'm telling you, I've no complaints with this plasma. Even when it messed up that one time, they fixed it and had it sent right back. This is just a template that I clamped down for the ends. I have a couple different sizes. I probably have 30 templates around here for different stuff. Went ahead and got it put together and I'm welding it out. These are faster to leave on the side, just weld downhill. Just keep turning it. And then flip it on its side and you can do the rest of it flat or downhill. And that's one of the other ones there. And this is the HTP Pro Pulse that I'm using. I have both of their machines. I'm telling you, I love this machine. It's been running now for close to 4 years. In all these dusty conditions and everything, it's still going strong. Alright, I'm out here getting one of them put together. Get it on the stand and roll it out of the way. Here I'm just cutting out for the pipe and then coming around to start cutting the doors out of horizontal chamber door. I like to just tack those straight edges on there so I can drag on them. I've seen people hold those up with some magnets, and I've got the same magnets, but it don't work for me. It always slides. This is just some of the frame, the legs for that stand and the frame for the next one. This Evolution chop saw. Got to do a new table for this too. For the new shop, I'm not taking this raggedy table in there. The table it's sitting on was actually a coffee table at one time, with tile on the top, and it's been a work table for about 12 years now. Those Evolution saws are definitely worth looking into if you're looking for a chop saw. Just getting the stand ready so I can roll up under there. Be a lot easier once I'm in the shop. I won't have to move around so much, going back and forth to get to the lift, back to the table. This is the vertical chamber for the other one, the next one. Just trying to get the plate inside. I had all this one cut out already, I just had to get it put together. This is the tapered part on the top. Set that magnet there to make sure it's sitting out pretty much flush with the side. It's weird trying to just eyeball it and hold it at that angle at the same time. It seems like I always get it off, so I have to put something in. I'm jumping back and forth on them because some of this stuff, the noisy stuff like cleaning all this up and fitting it up, I do during the day. Then I can do a lot of the welding at night because that machine isn't super loud. But I sure can't fire that grinder or that chop saw or anything up in the middle of the night. Jumping back over to the other one, putting the door on. That one's getting pretty close to being done. That's just the pipe on the vertical. That's just about do it on this video. I'm gonna come back and do a part 2, finishing them up and everything. So if you're looking for a smoker, you can email me. I'll put my email address in the description box. Just shoot me an email. And the video for these finished up should be coming up next week. That's about all I got done right now. We'll wrap it up for the night. But this one's real close. The slides and everything are in. So it won't be too much longer on that one. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.